Like his father Bobby and his grandfather Jim, who were all well known in their facets of aviation before Matt, he has also achieved recognition as the recipient of the 2012 Bill Barber Award for Showmanship and the 2020 Art School Memorial Showmanship Award. Matt learned to fly at the age of 14 in a Piper J3 Cub.
On Matt's 16th birthday,
finishing up some loops for you here, and we're going to be ready. Looks like he's giving us a big wave, doesn't it?
यहाँ बोमेन वाले में होता है क्लास 350 डॉलर से स्टार्टिंग था एक उड़ान था उसने क्या कि 3 पैसेंजर और एक सेल्फ उड़ान लास्ट ईयर देखा था मैं
And we were just informed that he goes through 50
flies a couple more things about the aircraft he flies. In 1945, the Army of the airplane to the United States Department of Commerce, where the plane served as a VIP transport until 1949, for the Civil Aeronautics Administration, which later became the FAA, Federal Aviation Administration. So when it's at civil orders.
Okay,